CDC just came to my door. What's up YouTube, Empyre Comics here. I'm back for a new video. And in this video, I'm gonna open up this new box from CDC that I just got. But before I do that, if you like hunting for low budget keys, CDC unboxings, weekly comic book hauls, and new comic book day spec buys, then click subscribe, smash that like button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. All right, let's open this up. This is just a small one. Looking up there, I think this is my Falcon and Winter Soldier one, which is just 8 or 9 books. I sent these out after the first episode, telling myself I should have sent them out before, but you know, it is what it is. All right. We got, let me show y'all here. Cardboard. All right. Put this away. I don't want to see the grade. Now, there was just an alert yesterday about Anthony Mackie confirmed to play Captain America and Captain America 4. So these books might pay off now. So let me see what the first one is. I'm just gonna pull one up. Well, what's the front? In there tight. All right, I got it. Not really. Okay, the first one we have Falcon and the Winter Soldier, issue 1. Okay. Well, let me take it out the bag. Not like last time. All right. There we go. Falcon and the Winter Soldier, issue 1. And get the glare out. It is a 9.6. All right. That ain't bad. Ain't bad. That right there. Next one, Captain America issue 25. I forget which edition this is, but let's see, 9.2. Okay, that's a little low. But, all right. Let's see, next one here. Captain America issue 332. Now I don't expect a high grade on this. This was like mid grade. I just submitted it just for fun, I guess, whatever. But let's see what we got. 6.0. All right. Yeah, this one was pretty beat up. Let's see. Is there anything special on that one? Okay, wait, what does it say here? Says Steve Rogers resigns as Captain America, Super Patriot appearance. All right. Next one here. All new Captain America issue 1. Falcon right there on the cover. And a 9.8. That's pretty dope. 9.8 for that. I'll take it. Especially with the news now about him playing Cap. That right there. Let's see, next one. Captain America issue 34. I think is, yeah, when Bucky becomes Cap. 9.2. All right. It says here 2 different covers exist. One by Alex Ross and one by Steve Epting. James Bucky Barnes becomes the new Captain America. You can see it there. Let's go. Next one. Captain America issue 34. That's another one here. 9.4. Okay, and this says the same thing. 2 different covers exist. One by Alex Ross, blah, blah, blah. Same thing. That's a pretty nice cover. I think I have 2 more. All new Captain America issue 1. Oh yeah, this is dope. This was the Interscope variant. I expect maybe like a 9.2 on this one. 9.4, all right, see, I'll take it. That's what's up. Let's see, fix that. And the last one. Captain America issue 25, the Hasbro edition, 9.8. That's what's up, and that shit's strong. Sorry. This is the Sam Wilson becomes the new Captain America. Captain America 115 homage cover. Alright guys, that's all the books I have for this unboxing. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And what would you do with these books? Would you hold them off until the movie comes? Would you try to get rid of them now? Crack them, resubmit them? Share your thoughts below. Alright y'all, keep specking. Later.